The real question I want to ask you is, have you ever lost yourself? Yeah, it's one thing to lose things, but it's a sad thing to lose you. Losing things is about finding where something is. Losing you is about remembering who you are. See, when you lose stuff, you try to locate it. When you lose you, you need to remember. When I say remember, what I'm saying is, in order to find yourself, you have to start by putting yourself back together. Question ain't, how did you lose you? Sometimes the question is, who took that part of you?
What's up, Glam fam? Come along with me while I braid my hair. I am starting the month of September off loving on myself some, and what that means for me first is getting my hair done. I have had this hair in my closet for quite some time, and I finally took the time to sit down and braid my hair over the weekend. So sit back, relax, and watch me braid my hair. Let me know, how do you love this style, and any other question you may have down below. Alright, let's get into it.
This one I got you with the job. I know get time, I did that cover my face, calling me that. Biggie man, waiting, yeah, that. What's it go? You are go, all the bend, they catch it, ride the foot, I know feet, die for nothing. What's it go? You are go, all the bend, they catch it, ride the foot, I know feet, die for nothing. Make you know say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, they try to take me to my way. I can't come and see myself. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want the love. You know, tell me, what's it go? You want
Alex Epps. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair, was me out of fear. You find me ugly and one day you'll disappear, cause the point of crying, it was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy.
He say that I'm good enough, cover my think about shit that I should've known. So I tell him it's one of me, he making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me, like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. Ain't it been what it been? Calling his phone like, yo, send me a pin. Look at my shit, cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you, and I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. when you hold me. You kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing. And it don't change. If I had it my way, you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part.
It's the sunrise and those brown eyes, yes. You're the one that I desire. When we wake up and then we make love, it makes me feel so nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the talent all I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life. I just wanna see how beautiful you are.
I'm not a player, I just fuck a lot. From a thug nigga. I'm not a player, I just fuck a lot. Hey, yo, I'm still not a player, but you still a hater. Elevator to the top high. See you later, I'm gone. Penthouse suite, penthouse freaks, in-house beach, fresh house seats, 10 pound east, rent out lease, got an option to buy, cop to 5 a bit, and I'm not, go up my side, go up in the line, with my twins, he go, I'm in the Benzito, with my Kiko from Queens, the king, there he go, we go back like PAs, wearing PJs, now the beast of PAs, running trains for 3 days, who wanna ride it won't cost you $1 with a sword for harder, a force is still on the dollar, mama, I'm big, I rip my prick through your hooters, I'm sick, you couldn't measure my dick with 6 rulers, hold up, shoot out, I'm all about getting new, but I knock that bull, if you out to get cool. I'm not a player, I just fuck a lot. Uptown, baby, uptown. I'm not a player, I just fuck a lot. I love one if you can, the black brand, the last, I don't discriminate. I regulate every shade of the ass.
You've got some vacation time. You and your girlfriend, too bad mind. Bad when you both combine. I don't know why you look so nice. Girl, you're not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do. Don't get you look so nice, being not nice, you're rude. Look what you putting me through. I never do this to you. I need to hold a corner, and it's no wine. One time, I need to hold a corner.